conversion between decimals and fractions. So it shows some examples. So we studied how to convert fraction into decimal. So here, how will you convert? Here the 10, 1 by 10. So here you count the tens place. So after the point only one number will be there. You remind that like this. If the 10 is there, so when you're writing the decimal, here 0.1 is the answer. Okay. 0.1. So if it's 1 by 100, how will you write? 0. After 0.2 number will be there. So here only 1 is there. Above 1 only is there. So you can write one more number here. So 0.01. So next, if the question is 1 by 1000, how will you convert into decimal? That is 0. Here 3 numbers are there. So after the point only 3 numbers will be there. So 001. Okay. Then if the question is 32 by 10. So how will you convert 32 by 10? That is, I told if the below denominator is 10. You remind that if the 10 have only how many zeros? Only 1 0. So after the point only one number will be there. So there are 32 is there, sir. 32 is there. So you put one decimal point in the center. That is 3.2. 32 by 10 is 3.2. Then if the 32 by 100 is the question. So I told if it is 2 zeros, so after the point 2 numbers will be there. So what is the answer? 0. If you didn't put 0, no problem. You can point, you can write. Then 32 is the answer. Understand? Here if it is 100, after the decimal, 2 numbers will be there. Next, if the question is 32 by 1000. 32 by 1000. So after the decimal point, how many numbers will be? 3 numbers will be there. So here 0 point. Here only 2 numbers is there. So we can write, put one 0, 3, 2. So answer is 32 by 1000 is equal to 0.032. So look at the textbook activities. Here page number 31. 6 by 10. 6 by 10 is, I told, here 10 only 1 0. So after the point only one number will be there, sir. 0.6. 28 by 10. Here after the point only one number. So 2.8. Next 126 by 10. So here after the point only one number will be there. So here numerator is 3 numbers. So we write 3 numbers and put the point here. After the decimal only 1 point. One number. Here same way 1285 by 10. So how will you write? Here we write 1285. Then here only 1 0. So we can point here. So 128.5. Next, you have to convert the decimal into fraction. So here you write this number first, 25. Then by. Here after the point of how many numbers? Only one number. So we write here 10. Understand? Same way next also. 13.6. You write 136 here. Then after this point, how many? Only one number. So we write 10. Same we can do this also. Next one, 100. How to convert into hundreds? So here 8 by 100. That I told, if it is 2 zeros, after the point 2 number will be there. That is 100. So here 0.08. Here also same way. 176, 100,000, 1764 by 100. So how will you convert in decimal? First you write 1764. Here 2 zeros. 100 have 2 zeros. So after the decimal point, 2 numbers will be there. So 17.64. Next also 3.56. 3.56, how will you write? First you write 3.56 here, 356 together you write. Then draw line. Then you write after point how many numbers? 2 numbers. So you write here 100. Okay. Same way can do next 2 questions also. Next, page number 32. Convert each fraction into decimal number. So here the fraction is there. You have to convert this into decimal number. How will you convert? First one, 56 by 10. So first you write the number here, 56. Okay. Then you write, first you look the denominator. Denominator, what is number? 10. So 10, how many zero? Only one zero. So I told, you can put the point here. 5.6. Next one, 100, you know. The same way, 100 also you can write. Next, 1000 also you can write. I show 23. We can write 23 here. Then here, after 1, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So here, the after decimal point, 2 numbers will be there. So you can put the dot here. 0.23. Otherwise, you can write 0.23. 0.23 and 0.23 is same, okay? 0 no value. Before you put decimal, before the 0 you can put the decimal, that is no value. After you put the 0, it is value. Before you put the 0, there is no value. So simply put 0.23. Okay. Next one. Here, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So after the point, how many numbers will be? First you write 9 here. So there are 3 zeros there. So after the point, how many numbers will be there? 3 numbers will be there. So we can put after numbers here 2, 3. Then you can put one point here. So 0.009. Otherwise 0.009 is same. Next also. This is here. First you write the number 3, 4, 8, 5, 6. Then here after 1000 is there. So here how many is 3 zeros? So 1, 2. From backward you want to count. 1, 2, 3. Don't count from here. This side you can count from right side. 1, 2, 3. So he put point. So 34.856. Okay. I hope you understand. Next question you can do same way. Next, convert each decimal number into fraction. This is also very easy. It is first you write the number 82 here. Then you can write the fraction. Here, after point, how many number? Only one number. So the answer is 10. Next here, 30.068. So you write 30.068 divided by how many zeros? 3 numbers. So you write 3 zeros. 1000. Okay. Same we can draw 7.35, that is 135 by 100. Same we can do the next questions also. So next, write the decimal number of each pictorial representation. One is done for you. So here 0.47. First you count how many columns are there, squares are there. How will you count? First you count this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side also 10. So 10 to 10 is 100. So you know, here is, if you are in doubt, you can write the side of your textbook 100. Denominator, then by. How many columns are colored, shaded, you can find out. There are 1, 2, 3, there are 47 is there. If you count, you can get 47. Then you can write this the decimal form, that is 0.47. Okay, 0.47. That is, here this decimal, you can write 0.5. Otherwise, you can, if you didn't write this also, you can write this. First, you count here how many columns are there. Then you can write the decimal form first. Then you write the fraction. Here, then decimal. Okay. First, you count how many columns are there. That is 1000 or 100. Then you find out how many portions are shaded. Then you can write here. Okay. You count how many shape portions are shaded. There are 72 is there. You count. Then it will be 100 columns are the 0.72. Okay. Next one, look at the place value table. Write the decimal expansion and decimal number in words in the space provided. One is done for you. So here, first one, I told we already studied that one. That is tens, one place the 34 point. This is 10. After the point it will be THS, tens, hundreds and thousands. I already told. So 34.78. So here 34.78. Then expansion form. This 10 plus 30 plus 4 plus 0.7. This then 0.008. Then that is 34.78. One more question at all. Here 25. How will you write? 251.04. 251.04. That is tens, and this after here, this number you can put point here. Okay. Then 0. How will you expand from 200? This thousands place. Then 50 plus 1 plus 0 is, see here is 1's tens place is 0. So no need to write here. Then we can write 0.04. This is 4 by 100. So 0.04. Okay. So we can write 251.04. I hope you understand. One more question here. 9.018. So 90 plus 90 not. Sorry, 9 plus 0 is not there. So 0 point, that is decimal form want to write. Okay. So 0.01 plus 0.008. Okay. If any doubt, I will explain the live.